Right, so hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you on how to enable autosave in PowerPoint. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So this is not autosave feature, okay? It's not going to be a guaranteed autosave feature, but we are going to turn the auto recover feature that is built into the Microsoft Office into an autosave feature. So to do that, you're just going to open your PowerPoint, any documentation, just double click on the PowerPoint logo, open a blank presentation, okay, and go into file right there. And in file you're going to go into options right here, okay. This small window pop up and you can see here something called save. It'll be the third option, and you can see it says save auto recover information every, and then there's the time and minutes. Okay, so we are going to drastically reduce this to maybe 3 or 2 minutes. Okay, so what that will do, it will make PowerPoint to save its data every 3 minutes. So when you edit a file, in 3 minutes the data will be saved, or in 2 minutes, depends on how much you want. So if your computer shuts off or whatnot, the auto save or the auto recover will save the file that you've edited and you can recover it easily. So this is a small trick, so make sure you press OK after you change that. Okay, this is a small trick that has saved me a ton of time. So yeah, I hope it will help you too. So that's all from me. Thanks for watching, folks.